Cuter than before. With his ears perked up.
You hot, buddy?
Hi, Steve. Bobo. You silly boy.
You hot?
What?
Oh, you heard the computer?
Well, what's that noise? Just smile for us. Smile for us. He's like, what are you doing?
There it goes.
Much better. Much better. Oh, yeah.
You hot, buddy? You hot, buddy? You hot, Bobo?
He's like, yeah, I don't. He's doing his little head tilt. Or something. What are you doing?
He's a happy boy.
He is a happy boy.
Look at that smile.
He's too cute.
He's gotta have his fireplace. Yeah, you know, Bobo, if you move back, you won't be so hot.
Funny. Oh, you're tired. You're tired.
It's warm, isn't it, buddy?
It's hard being on TV so long. It's hard, isn't it, buddy?
Puts his head back by the fire.